Selling like hot cakes. Unwrap the meaning. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delicious phrase that you might have heard in English conversations. Selling like hot cakes. It's a fascinating expression that paints quite the picture, doesn't it? But what does it actually mean, and where did it come from? Stay tuned as we unfold the layers of this intriguing phrase, making it as clear as a bell for all English language learners. When we say something is selling like hot cakes, we mean that it is being sold very quickly and in large quantities, almost as soon as it is made available. This phrase is often used to describe products, services, or anything that's in high demand. Imagine a baker's freshly made hot cakes flying off the shelves because customers can't get enough of them. That's the kind of popularity and quick sale we're talking about. The phrase, selling like hot cakes, comes from the 19th century United States. Back then, hot cakes, which are similar to pancakes, were a popular item at fairs and church bake sales. They were made and sold fresh, often eaten with butter and syrup, and were so beloved that they would sell out very quickly. This vivid imagery of hot cakes being snatched up by eager customers as soon as they were made gave rise to the expression. To help you incorporate selling like hot cakes into your everyday English, let's look at some examples. The new smartphone model is selling like hot cakes. It's almost impossible to find one in stores now. After the rave reviews, her debut novel started selling like hot cakes. These tickets are selling like hot cakes. We should buy ours before they're all gone. Notice how the phrase can be used in various contexts. Not just for physical products but for anything that's being quickly snapped up by consumers. And there you have it, the meaning and usage of selling like hot cakes. It's a fun and vivid expression that adds flavor to our language, illustrating the speed and eagerness of sales. We hope this video has made the phrase as clear and appetizing as a hot cake fresh off the griddle. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more interesting phrases with you in our future videos. Happy learning!